Do y'all see this? You see the truck and camper right here, and then look at our view over here. This is just absolutely amazing. We are at South Beach Campground here in Washington, and it is outside the Olympic National Park. It is boondocking, and it does cost $20 to come and stay here, and it's first come, first serve. We are here on a Monday, and it's 3:30, I think, or 3:45, and there is still a whole bunch of sites available. We did just get invited by the host to do some sort of activity on the beach, and she explained that we just throw the rocks, rolling the rocks, sorry, not throwing, we're rolling the rocks on the beach to see who can roll it the furthest. So we are fixing to go find some rocks so we can roll, and we are going to show you this activity that we're going to get ourselves into here. How cool are all of these rocks? They're all perfectly rounded, and oh my gosh. And then this is right next to it, the beauty. So you have this beauty to look at, and then you have this right here and the rock. This is our first night here at the campground. Tyler and I came down to the beach, so we are going to see how cold this water really is.
Hi folks, we made it here to Forest, Washington, the beautiful Olympic National Park. This is slightly better than our local Bass Lake in Gorman, Texas, but we will make it do. The water here is a brisk 60 degrees, and this campground that we are in is first come, first serve. Beautiful. Right on the water, 20 bucks a night, can't beat it, baby. As you can see, I'm solar inside. That's how we like it. And that's all I got for you.
So Tyler is warming up right now and practicing to see how far he can roll the rock. This is absolutely insane. When I try to go through it, it's probably going to be right in front of my foot. Tyler is going back right now and getting both of those rocks just because he learned how far he could row them. That is crazy.
Wah, wah.
Not good at this, y'all. Well, that's underhand, and you can also throw it overhand. That's not as good. There you go.
Ah.
So what did you think about our little activity?
That was pretty neat. Fun for all ages. Because it's just a game of luck. Just like I like it. Yes. If it ain't flinching when you bite it, it's not right.
So what are you making us?
Philly cheesesteak.
Did you make that all in the camper or outside?
have made it in your dreams. Baby, get out of here.
Good morning, everyone. So it is 5 a.m. in Oregon, and if you can tell, it is very bright at 5 a.m. We're up early, just made coffee, trying to get out of here so we can go to the whole rainforest campground. We were told we need to be there before 9 a.m. to beat the whole traffic. So we're up at 5 a.m.
We made it to our campground here at Rainforest Campground. It is absolutely beautiful. Our campsite is amazing. We couldn't have asked for anything better. The one thing I do suggest is if you do want to camp here, get here early before the check-in time, because people have waited 1 to 2 hours to just get inside the park. And luckily, since we got up at 5 a.m. this morning and got here around 9 o'clock, a little bit before 9, so we did not have to wait in line at all. And we were just able to come into our campsite because the previous person that was here decided to leave early. So it just made everything so easy and smooth. But it is absolutely gorgeous here, and I can't wait for y'all to check it out with us. One thing I did forget to mention, if you do plan on doing any of the hikes here, I highly suggest, especially over summer, to get here at 7 o'clock because it is very packed right now. Like, oh my gosh, it is crazy. And then also, if you decide to get in early with your rig here at the Whole Forest Campground, they do have RV parking. So there is a section for RVs, and it was pretty open when we drove by it. So if we weren't able to get into our spot, we were going to park there. So just a little tip. I am hungry. I have not ate yet since I woke up early this morning. So I'm about to make me some lunch. Well, today didn't go as planned. Tyler and I actually fell asleep for 4 hours in the camper, and now we're finally up again, and we are out and about. Tyler is somewhere. There he is. We are enjoying this beautiful river that they have here. It is so peaceful right now. It's not as crazy with all the people here, but I will say if you are walking on the side of the streets, be extra careful because there was a crazy person driving so fast, and it's only, I want to say it's probably 20 miles per hour here, and this lady had to have been going 50 miles per hour. If I would have fell, she would not have been able to stop, and she would have ran me over. So just FYI, so just be very careful when you are out here walking at the national park. So just because the other people, they're in a rush, they don't care, and they're gonna go however fast they want to go. So be careful, take care of yourselves, and then also be aware of your surroundings here at national parks. We did get advised a few days ago that there was a child that did get attacked by a cougar, so try not to hike alone if possible.
How's it going, folks? Here we are in the Whole Rainforest, the Whole Campground just outside of Fort Washington. We got a spot here for the night, tucked away in the mountains, a low elevation of about 600 feet. We're going to hang out by this river for a little while, and then we're going to do a couple trails. You'll see videos on that. And we're just going to enjoy the day. No cell service, just take a little disconnect, Out here in the middle of nowhere, no traffic, nice and quiet, beautiful crisp air. So follow along and check out what it's like over here. You can see here, not very many people got the word that I was in town, so my audience is kind of limited, but y'all will have to do for tonight. Hope y'all follow along and enjoy this nice comedic set I'm about to perform. All right, folks, we made it to Rialta Beach. We're in the northwestern part of Washington, pretty close to Forts. And as you can see, all this driftwood up on the beach, beautiful Pacific Ocean. I'm sure it's in the 60s right now. It's nice and cool. We're going to pan around, that way you can check this place out. If you're ever in Washington, this is a must stop on my bucket list for sure. Check it out.